So pretty. 7:45, 8. Yes, guys. I'm still here. I just ended my vlog some time back. Today is the day, and we are going around looking at exciting things. Pondi and joking. Actually, we are searching for something. We can't find it. We are searching for the past half an hour now. We can't find it. Stay tuned. Until then, bro, we'll show them some nice cars. Come. Come on, guys. Which car do you want to see? Let us know in the comment. First, we'll show you this beauty. So pretty. Joakim, you want to give any details about the car? Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh shit. Okay, guys, I'll show you a little bit sneak peek of it inside. Nothing can be seen only, guys. I'll show you later, but don't worry. Guys, the next car I'm going to show you is one of the most royal cars you'll ever see. That is the Rolls Royce. Check it out. I'll try to take videos and show you guys how it is from the inside too. Back to Pondi's mom chutney sandwich. And we all are eating. Guys, check out this beauty. Small, cute Z4. Sound is crazy though. Yeah. Guys, so the moment we've been waiting for. Finally, I'm signing the documents and you'll see why we are here in Mumbai soon. So let me get the paperwork done. Get it out.
Congratulations, Peter.
Yes, thank you so much. So guys, right now in front of me is our new beauty for what we have come to Mumbai. With my boys who came with me, accompanied me, spent a lot of time. We've been here since morning and now it is, what's the time? 6:30. We've been here since 10 o'clock in the morning. They supported me and yes, the next clip you guys are going to see is something crazy. So guys, a sneak peek. I'm sure you know with the rings which car it is. My sister Natasha is going to be the happiest person today. So guys, today the car you see behind me is my sister Natasha's dream car. Ever since I was small, she used to always say, I want a BMW at home, BMW at home. And she would always say that every birthday, in fact, she would ask me, where's my gift? Where's my BMW? I always dream that a car will be outside. So Natasha, this one is for you. So yes, it's coming home finally. And she used to always say, Peter will get it home. So yes, it's not Peter, it is our car, not only my car, it's everybody's car at home. Yay! And yes, guys, not to forget, my bros are with me also. Gandhi, Joakim, this is Saad Bhai. Thank you. From CarPoint. Follow him on Instagram. Yes. And his team, everybody. Yes. This is our beautiful car. I'm going to take you a 360, guys. Yay! Yes, yes. Okay, guys. Take you inside. Yay! Congratulations. Yes, congratulations. The dream key pouch, guys. No? Every boys love. Guys, it is finally time to leave. Woo. Finally. Okay. Time, it's quite late now. The seat is coming. How to bring the seat in front? Oh, guys. Yay, motor seat. No more doing like that and all. Just kidding, guys. Okay, so now I put this now. What to do? Continue what to do. How to put drive? Just put down?
No, pull it.
Press it?
Yeah, press it.
Okay, I pressed.
Pull it.
Okay, done now.
You adjust the seat first, up and down.
Wow. It's like a truck, bro.
Then
No, it's big. Wow.
Lolly such thing that this vehicle looks.
You heard guys, Mama saying the vehicle
one
looks
more
small.
thing. Turn it on. fully.
Oh. Let it go out in
No,
style.
no, Ray.
Why in
Keep
style?
there's only one, no?
Ring?
Rings. Yeah.
No, but we can't see the ring, no. Let them side light. Yeah, we can't see. When we park at the time, one only. Guys, Tokyo Drift now. Come on, come on. I think I got the hang of it already. Let's go. Disturbance. I don't want this Swift and all now. Okay, please. Please Swift. Not now, later. Please, please. Excuse me, guys. I wanna if you know. Woo. Yeah, buddy. So smooth.
White.
Wait a BMW horn. Okay. So for the past 1 hour, I'm just driving and we're still in Mumbai. A lot of traffic. Estimate time to reach Goa is 6:30, 7?
740.
7:45, 8, and it is only 7:30 now. So we have exact 12 hours and we are still stuck in Mumbai city. Haven't hit the highway yet. Yay! So guys, I just stopped now near the toll because there's no fast tag. So I said I need to put a fast tag because there are more tolls ahead. And she's looking so good. What, bro? Guys, it is a toll recharge plus a good break. Thanks to these boys for accompanying me, coming with me. But our train journey was the best. Few days. Just give me 2 days, bro.
Yeah.
If today's vlog had to go, no?
Tomorrow
You can post. Because tomorrow I'll put that video. Tomorrow. So guys, now I took a break and my bro Joakim is driving the car now. I'm gonna take a long break because then Kondi next. Dada and Kondi sitting behind with another picnic today also. So yes, and now we have still a long way. It is 8:50. Joakim just started driving. Let's see how long it goes now. We'll take a break maybe for dinner because I'm very thirsty also and I'm hungry at the same time. Wouldn't want to eat unwanted things because then, tummy problem. Also, the road looks very nice. Finally stopped for some dinner at Hotel Priyanka. Yeah, bro, it's very fast, huh? Very fast it goes to Dicky.
That small cousin over that girl is, no? Who is that lady?
Golu darling.
She'll go with that Gulu.
What happened to Kondi?
No, searching for charger.
Guys, it's super cold. So now we are come inside to sit. We were actually sitting. I'll show you where, guys. That fancy place, nice, fancy, pretty looking place over there. But what happened was, it was too cold. So we are come inside and we're sitting. And Bhaiya said, what happened? They only family sit. We don't look like family, it seems. So now what to do? Huh? We told him, Baap or bete log, family. But they want a female. So okay. But it's very cold, guys, actually. Bhai, aapka naam kya? Huh? Sunil?
Kopre.
Sunil, 1 like for Sunil, okay? Kople. ये क्या है?
Tomato.
हाँ? Tomato soup? Thank you. और ये क्या है?
Breadcrumbs.
Oh, lovely. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Ah, yeah. It's not chakna re, bro. This is for our tomato soup. हाँ? ये कौन है अभी? कौन? Okay. All the best. My favorite, guys. I'm eating now.
Crunch.
It's so crunchy that I can feel oil splashing in my mouth. Done with some yummy food. It was very nice. The butter chicken, we had butter chicken. I had chapati, they had roti. Very nice.
You want one?
No, done. And now, because the drive is going to be still long way, we have bringing black coffee. Kondi drinking black coffee. By mistake, Kondi shook the table. Full table halla.
Hello. You come video now.
This is our Mita man. Just because Kondi found this black coffee a little less. Now see how much he's drinking. 2 nights he's not going to sleep only. For sure. And that fellow. तू उसका कॉफी बहुत स्ट्रांग बनाया. अभी 2 दिन नहीं सोएगा ना वो. तुम्हारा ऊपर. हाँ. Guys, it is 8:30 and we finally reached Goa. That is down Joakim's place. They drove so much. I slept from 2 a.m. I slept, guys, till I think 7 till 7 o'clock in the morning. I slept. They stopped. They did whatever. I did not. I couldn't wake up.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, uncle is there. I dropped Condi home, Joachim home, and now I dropped even Dada home. I'm come to wash the car before showing Mama and Natasha because the car is very dirty. So yes, the next video you guys are going to see is Mama, Natasha's reaction. I'm super excited for that. So I'm going to wash the car now and end this video with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, do share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Peter Dice signing off. All mokes for your